Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Experimental horror films this October in the Philippine Islands. As I'm starting here to create my first experimental horror film in the Philippines this October, doing a lot of test shots and of the filmings and that type of a thing, testing special effects, all the gore, the blood, and what have you. On the 8 and 16 millimeter, I'm expressing everything that I can during the Halloween eve and time with the lens of my Bolex here, and to express the avant-garde feeling of what's going on. I'm just wondering with anticipation what more I can uncover. There's nothing like taking out your 8 and 16 millimeter movie camera, vintage, and creating and filming those experimental horror films. Am I right? Well, of course I am. Here at Morbid Team Entertainment, we're going to keep creating more and more things, and by 2023 we're going to show the Philippines and other people what we can do, and we hope very much so that we can make a fan base with you out there. Alright? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our barter, buy, and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye. Happy Halloween.